Viewers of this interesting video, this is Abuja, this is Ahmadu Bello Way, and it is August. I can describe today as August in practical terms. This is what we call August, what we are expecting. Cloudy environment, rains. Since yesterday in the night it has been raining, and everywhere is just in a dark mood. So therefore, this is August in practical terms. I hope and I pray to Almighty Allah to give us bumper harvest this year, so that we can get enough food. Actually, I'm very happy today. This is really what somebody can say, a good climate change. Change like this, it is a change we always expect to see. El-hikaya in Abuja, saying good morning and see you in another video very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.